Hello everyone and welcome to DriveSpark. My name is Rahul and today we are here in Lonavala. India launched the Jeep Compass back in 2017 and now have bought in this, the all-new Compass Trailhawk. So what's so different about the new Trailhawk? Let's find out.
Jeep is a brand that has its core values based in off-road driving. The very first Jeep vehicle, simply named the Jeep in 1941, was a light four-wheel drive vehicle used in World War II to take American troops wherever they needed to go, and the Jeep did it brilliantly. Fast forward to 2019 and Jeep is still at it, proving their off-road brilliance and ingenuity. Jeep India has had the Compass on sale in the Indian market for nearly 2 years now, and the SUV had impressed us mightily when we drove the four-wheel drive variant for the first time back in 2017. But a large majority of Jeep sales in India have come from the front-wheel drive variant owing to the low cost. This, however, did not stop Jeep from selling the four-wheel drive variant. In fact, Jeep has gone ahead and brought this into our market, the trail-rated Compass Trailhawk variant. It is essentially the most rugged and most off-road capable version of the Jeep Compass you can buy. The Trailhawk looks just like any ordinary Jeep Compass from a distance. Get close though and you will start seeing the differences. Up front is the same good old Jeep Compass design with the LED DRLs and projector headlamp. The biggest change up front is a new redesigned bumper that allows the SUV to have a better approach angle of 26.5 degrees while tackling off-road obstacles. Tucked away neatly under the car are now 4 skid plates instead of just 2 on other variants. It sports a dual-tone bonnet with a non-reflective black decal on the hood to prevent any glare hitting the driver's eyes while at weird off-road angles. When viewed from the sides, one's attention is drawn to the new dual-tone 17-inch alloy wheels. While all other variants of the Jeep Compass come with road-biased Firestone tires, the Trailhawk comes with Falcon all-terrain rubber. An eye for detail would notice that there is a significantly greater gap between the wheel arch and the tire. Jeep has raised the height of the SUV and it is quite visible on the side profile as it now gets an additional 27mm of ground clearance. If one has looked at the Trailhawk variant available in other international markets, they would notice that the tow hook at the front is missing on the Indian version. This is because of guidelines for pedestrian protection that do not allow any protrusions at the front that could be dangerous. The rear though still has a red colored tow hook that is rated for a towing capacity of 1.5 times the Trailhawk's weight. Last but not the least, the Jeep Compass comes with the trail-rated badges from Jeep, which makes it very special. The interiors of the Trailhawk variant is very similar to other variants of the Jeep Compass in terms of design. The Trailhawk though comes with an all-black interior with red accents. The seats come with red double stitching and the SUV features red colored trim surrounding the gear lever, the instrument cluster and the speakers. The cabin comes with soft touch plastics and that gives it the premium feel it so deserves. Trailhawk sits at the top of the Jeep Compass variants lineup, but it misses out on a few features that are seen on the Limited Plus variant that sits below the Trailhawk. Features like auto headlamps and wipers and powered driver's seat are missing on the Trailhawk. Even the panoramic sunroof is an optional extra on the top spec Trailhawk, while it is standard equipment on the Limited Plus. However, keyless entry and go, cruise control and a 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay all come as standard fitment. It comes with steering mounted controls for the infotainment as well as for the cruise control systems. There are a few features that are available exclusively on the Jeep Compass Trailhawk, like the 7-inch LCD multi-information display in the instrument cluster. Also, the Trailhawk comes with more off-road drivetrain modes than the other four-wheel drive variants. More on that when we talk about performance. Safety features include side and curtain airbags, ABS with EBD, ESC, traction control, hill start assist, hill descent control, and electronic parking brake. The Jeep Compass is an SUV that performs brilliantly, possibly the best in its segment. It's powered by the same 2-liter turbo diesel engine as in other variants. In the Trailhawk though, it is BS6 emissions norms compliant and pushes out 173 bhp at 3750 rpm and 350 Nm of peak torque between 1750 and 2500 rpm. Making its debut in the Jeep Compass is a new 9-speed automatic transmission mated to a low ratio gearbox. This drivetrain combination makes for a brilliant drive both on and off of the road. The different drive modes auto, snow, sand, mud and rock change different settings in the engine and transmission, and that helps the Jeep Compass Trailhawk conquer almost any terrain thrown at it. The air intake has been repositioned at a higher point to allow for an increase in the wading depth. The Jeep Compass Trailhawk is not just another variant with a few feature additions. This variant comes with several new features which include major mechanical and functional changes to the vehicle. We got to drive it both on and off the road to see what it feels like. Just watching the Jeep Compass Trailhawk conquer off-road obstacles was enough proof that this is something else. Getting to drive it over those obstacles was the cherry on top of the cake. We got to test out all select terrain modes except snow, simply because there was no snow where we drove it. The newly added rock mode simply allows the vehicle to crawl over rocks and boulders with utmost ease. The increased ride height and greater ground clearance has resulted in a 26.5 degree approach angle, 21.2 degree ramp breakover angle and 31.6 degree departure angle. This simply means the Trailhawk treats obstacles like a piece of cake. The 9-speed automatic gearbox offers a wide spread of ratios, and this further improves its off-road abilities. Thanks to the combination of the 9-speed automatic and the low ratio transfer case, the Jeep Compass can get to its peak torque of 350 Nm at just 5 km/h in first gear while in low range. This enables it to tackle some obstacles that we never thought was possible in a vehicle of this segment. The hill descent control can be programmed to a specific speed, and the Trailhawk just sticks to that speed while going downhill irrespective of the terrain. Jeep has also retuned the suspension for off-road usage, and this simply means bad roads aren't a big deal for the Trailhawk. The engine has a good spread of power out on the road, but the gearbox seems a little slow to react, almost like it is confused between the 9 gears. This, however, does not affect the amount of fun one has while driving the Jeep Compass Trailhawk. The engine, thanks to its BS6 upgrade, feels so much more refined compared to the other Jeep Compass variants with the BS4 engine. On the road, the Compass still feels very stable despite the increase in height. At slow speeds, the steering wheel feels light but weighs up nicely as the speeds build up. The brakes are brilliant as always and offer good bite. The Jeep Compass Trailhawk is our current favorite among all the Jeep variants simply because it is more fun to drive. However, we aren't sure it is going to be the best selling variant simply owing to its price. The Jeep Compass Trailhawk is expected to cost an additional rupees 1.5 to 2 lakh more than the 23.11 lakh ex-showroom price tag of the limited plus 4x4 variant, and that is pretty expensive. In terms of capabilities though, we still gave full marks to the Jeep Compass Trailhawk.
So there you have it. That was the all-new Jeep Compass Trailhawk. For more information, head over to our website at drivespark.com, and also don't forget to subscribe to all our social media handles. Till next time.